Let's explore the difference between Docker Compose and Docker Run. Specifically, we'll discuss when to use Docker Compose instead of Docker Run commands for managing your containers. The Docker Run command is used to start a container from an image. Here are some examples. First, Docker run -d -p 3000:3000 --name my -app node:16. This command runs a node.js application in detached mode, maps port 3000 and names the container my app. Second, Docker run -d -p 5432:5432 -e postgres_password equals secret postgres:13. This command runs a PostgreSQL database in detached mode, maps port 5432, and sets the Postgres password. Third, Docker run -d -p 6379:6379 redis:\alpine. This command runs a Redis server in detached mode and maps port 6379. While Docker Run is useful, it has its challenges. The first challenge is complex commands. Long, error-prone command lines with multiple flags and parameters can be difficult to manage. The second challenge is no service dependencies. Manual coordination is required for multi-container applications, making it harder to manage dependencies between services. Docker Compose uses a YAML file to define multi-container applications. Here's an example of a Docker Compose YAML file. Version 3.8. Services, web, image, node:16. Ports, 3000:3000. Database, image, postgres:13. Environment, postgres_password equals secret. This file defines two services, a web service using the node.js16 image and a database service using the Postgres:13 image, along with their configurations. Docker Compose offers several benefits. First is declarative configuration. You can define your entire application stack in a single YAML file. Second is service dependencies. It provides automatic container startup order and linking, ensuring that services start in the correct order and can communicate with each other. So, when should you use Docker Run? Use Docker Run for quick testing and development of single containers. Also use Docker Run for simple applications with no external dependencies. When should you use Docker Compose? Use Docker Compose for multi-container applications with service dependencies. Also use Docker Compose for production environments requiring consistent deployments. In summary, use Docker Run for single containers and quick testing. Use Docker Compose for multi-container applications and production deployments. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.